Hi everybody, in this video I would like to show you how to set up a parental control filter on the TP-LINK router using Tether app provided by TP-LINK. First thing you need to do is to download the Tether app from the Play Store and install it on your smartphone, then open it. Wait a moment. Click on your router name to access it. Then you need to tap on the tools and on the parental controls. Parental controls is a very useful feature when you want to block some specified websites like YouTube or Facebook. Then you need to tap on the plus, set the name of the profile. We will input a filter for that, for example, and then click next. And then click on the plus, and there you can input name of the website you would like to block. We will block, for example, www. youtube.com. Click save. OK, and then click next, and there you can set a specific time limit when the site will be blocked, and the daily time limit is very useful when for example, your children are watching YouTube all the time and you would like to set as a 2-hour time limit. You can change it up to 8 hours. We will do 2.5 hours. Saturday, Sunday, no limit. It's a weekend after home. You can set also the bedtime. Click next and select the devices on which the YouTube will be blocked. We'll select this phone and click done, and it's already active. Now, during the Monday to Friday, the YouTube can be accessed only for 2.5 hours for a day. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give us a like and subscribe to our channel.